Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your iPhone Air. So let's get started. Now, there's two different kinds of hard reset you can do. First one is something where the data will not get deleted. It's a way to just restart your phone to fix any software issue. The second option is the one that actually deletes all of your data. And I'm going to show you both options. So first is more of a soft hard resets, which doesn't delete any of your data. It's something you do if you have any issues. What you're going to do is quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this big side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'll show you how that's done. Volume up, volume down, and then I hold down this big side button in this sequence. And I'm going to keep on holding that down until the phone goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. At that time, I will let go of that side button. So I go now. So all you did was quickly press and release volume up, volume down in that sequence very quickly, one after another, before holding down that side button. And you want to keep on doing it until the phone completely shuts down and the Apple logo appears and reboots. And that's kind of a hard reset where you fix software issues that you may be experiencing. Now, the other type of hard reset you can do is completely wipe the phone to factory setting, where you delete everything. In order to do that, make sure you back up your device to your iCloud or on your computer, because once you do that, you won't be able to recover your data unless you moved it over or backed it up. So in your settings, you're going to go to General and then scroll down all the way to the bottom, Transfer or Reset iPhone. You're going to click on that. You're going to click the option that says Erase All Content and Setting. And then you're going to basically hit Continue here. And then after that, you'll be prompted for your Apple ID account password that's linked on this account, and it'll start the process here. So I'm not going to do it here because, of course, if I do it, I'll erase this phone. I'm not doing that right now for this purpose, but if you click on Erase, it'll delete everything, doing a full hard reset. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.